Hello, Victor here, and today we're going to talk about a new concept that's becoming very popular in the market. That is the modern data stack. So let's start. I like to divide this concept in two visions. The first one is what's above the sea, or your activation stack. In here is how people will directly interact with your data. Is what the business can see. And then we have what's below the sea, or your platform stack. This is where lives your heavy technical infrastructure. All data flows from ingestion, storage, process on a secure and structured environment. To start, let's talk about what's above the sea first. The activation stack is all about data democratization and empower your business areas. Today, we have modern data tools that allow to decentralize the data access, but at the same time, keep secure and organized. Some examples are CDPs, BI self-servers, AI ML tools, and much others. The goal is to make the business teams take the lead on extract value from the data. They know better than anyone what are the pain points and all possible solutions. And by creating a secure and organized environment that are simple for technical and non-technical people navigate through data and creating analysis and activations, the modern data stack could finally offer a path that makes easier to scale data analytics on large organizations. But that only what people can see it. Let's go below the sea for a minute to understand what sustains this idea. In here lives the big heavy lift that not everyone can see it, is where all the data flows and pipelines are structured and all your data centralized. Your data platform are defined from first, ingestion, collecting all your data from structured and no structured sources. Second, cleansing and catalog, make sure everything is well documented, usable and correct. Third, storage, creating a secure and resilient place where you can persist your data. Fourth, processing. Apply all the needed transformations and logics on a computational scalable way. And finally, consumption. Controlling the correct disposition of your data following all the compliance and security guidelines. All of those steps need to work in synchronization, like engines of a factory. The modern data stack offers a set of tools that are scalable, performatic, and cost-effective to build the environment. Okay, but how these two visions comes together? Let's change the perspective a bit and imagine your data as a product in your portfolio. You have the demand for on your business areas that are your consumers, people that want to buy your product. Then you have a decentralized force that provides the means to your business to access that data. Your activation stack team. Think as your sales and marketing department. Their goal is to drive revenue by understanding the needs and providing solutions. From CDPs to BI tools and maybe even more advanced like AI and ML tools. Then we go to the manufacturer of that product. Like any supply chain, you start from your raw materials, that's your data source. You can buy this data source from your suppliers or data mine that from your systems. Followed by the need of organization and quality checks to ensure that this raw material fits your standards. Then you send this to your stock, where you're gonna keep everything secure and organized. Moving next to the manufacturing stage, where you refine and create your product and finally ship that to your customers in an efficient way. Now you can see that we have a decentralized model that focuses on generate demand and revenue that will finance all the centralized heavy work to put everything together. Exactly like a company. Most companies don't realize that this is a mutual existing process between centralization and decentralization. Prioritize one instead of others when you actually need both to work. A decentralized scalable model that will continuously generate demand and value, being supplied by a resilient centralized model that will keep ensuring the quality and the production of your products. In this example, the product is data, or the way that I like to call, data as a business unit. And of course, apply this operational model is only possible because of the modern data tools landscape that we have today. So the question is, To unlock the value, what should be my modern data stack? What tools should I select? How should I implement and how should I operate? Well, the answers is hard to explain in a single video. It's a transformation journey, but I'm sure Artefact can help you along the way. See you in the next video. Cheers!